Air vents, also known as air pipes, and sounding pipes are essential fittings provided on tanks and enclosed spaces on board ships. They serve two fundamental purposes: venting enclosed spaces and measuring tank contents, while at the same time ensuring the safety and watertight integrity of the vessel. Let us first look at air vents or air pipes. Air pipes allow an enclosed space to breathe. Their primary function is to prevent overpressure or underpressure inside tanks and holds. Whenever liquid is pumped into a tank or pumped out of a tank, and whenever temperature changes cause air or fluids to expand or contract, the air pipe allows air to enter or escape. Without this venting arrangement, tanks could suffer serious structural damage due to pressure differentials. Cargo holds are ventilated by air pipes passing through the weather deck. These air pipes are fitted with self-closing, watertight covers, commonly known as air pipe heads or headers. This is a load line requirement, ensuring that water cannot enter the space in heavy weather while still allowing normal breathing of the enclosed space. Because air pipes are located on exposed decks, they are continuously subjected to weather, spray, and corrosion. Any damage, corrosion, or loosening of bolted connections can compromise their integrity. This can result in flooding of cargo holds during heavy seas. For this reason, regular inspection and maintenance of air pipes and their fittings must form an important part of the ship's quality management system, or QMS. Now let us move on to sounding pipes. Sounding pipes are small-bore mild steel pipes used to measure the quantity of fluid in tanks or bilges. They provide a direct access route from the deck or machinery space to the bottom of a tank or hold. This allows a sounding tape or sounding rod to be lowered to determine the fluid level. Sounding pipes passing through the weather deck are fitted with screw-down caps, while sounding pipes for engine room double-bottom tanks are fitted with self-closing cocks. It is imperative that these caps and cocks are always kept shut when not in use. From a safety point of view, sounding pipes are a potentially dangerous source of progressive flooding if they are not properly secured. An engine room can be flooded through an open sounding pipe if the ship's bottom is holed. A cargo hold can be flooded through an open deck sounding pipe when water is washed on deck in heavy weather. Similarly, holes or damage in weather deck air pipes can allow seawater to enter enclosed spaces. Because of these risks, sounding pipe caps must never be mislaid, never left open, and never replaced with temporary fittings. Self-closing cocks must never be tied open, as this completely defeats their safety function. Now we will discuss its characteristics. In this media, you are going to learn about characteristics of air and sounding pipes. Following are some salient features of air and sounding pipes. Air and sounding pipes are usually constructed of mild steel. Air pipes are fitted in order to prevent excessively high or low pressures inside an enclosed space by letting out air when liquid is pumped in or letting in air when liquid is pumped out. Such breathing is also needed when ambient temperature changes result in the pressure inside the enclosed space to rise or fall. Cargo holds are ventilated by air pipes passing through, positioned on weather deck, and fitted with self-closing watertight covers as per load line requirements. Sounding pipes having screw-down caps or counterweight self-closing cocks should always be kept shut and properly maintained. An engine room can be flooded through an open sounding pipe if the ship's bottom is holed. A cargo hold can be flooded through an open deck sounding pipe when water is washed on deck in heavy weather. Holes in weather deck air pipes can also cause flooding of holds during rough weather. Air and sounding pipes passing through other compartments are a dangerous source of flooding. Thus, you have learned about the characteristics of air and sounding pipes. In summary, air vents ensure safe pressure balance in enclosed spaces, and sounding pipes allow accurate measurement of tank contents. Both systems pass through critical boundaries of the ship, and both require proper maintenance, regular inspection, and strict operational discipline to prevent flooding and to protect the safety of the vessel. Thank you for watching the video.